Hey guys, it's Labib from Labib's Fun Time. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a tire so you don't need to pay somebody, and also you could save a lot of money. And also there's some stuff that you could buy like pliers and stuff. They're not that much. And all you need is the repairing kit, and you can find it at Canadian Tire or also on Walmart. They're just 15 to 10 actually. They're not that much. And also it's better to have a repair kit because you never know when there's gonna be a tire flood, and you try to mark this place, and if you can't find it, put some water and then some bubbles will come out. That means that's the hole. Okay? Here's the tools that you'll be using, and this is a plugging material, and you'll be using it for stop the tire from leaking. Okay? In this video, we're also going to show how to change your own tire and put the dummy tire in. And don't use the dummy tire too much because it might burst, as it's not a real tire. So try as fast as you can to fix your original tire. And the dummy tire is only for emergency, like you're gonna go to your home or you're gonna go to any nearest garage. Please keep watching this video, and I hope you learn how to change your own tire and also repair your own flood tire, and so you could save a lot of money. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and please give some like and also share.